wananchi wanasajiliwa na kampuni na organization moja inaitwa Dedan Kimathi Foundation. My friends, the public we serve deserve nothing less than quality service. The services that were being given here was questionable, and we demanded the officials to identify themselves. One had ID, one did not have. The reason for them having this office was to register members. Upon registration, there is some money you are asked to go and deposit in the bank in a certain account name, and also another 3,000 shillings will go through M-Pesa. 5,000 through account, 3,000 through M-Pesa. The 5,000, it says the account name that was 5,000 was paid, was going to the organization. 3,000 inaenda kwa nambari ambaye iko hapa, na wananchi walikuwa wanatoa pesa, na ile kitu wanapatiwa ni receipt to confirm payment had been paid, and also registration documents with passport photo attached to those documentation, plus the ID copy of the members. My friends, 440 people had been registered in a period of 2 weeks. And when we check the money that has been wired, the money that has been deposited and also wired through the M-Pesa, in those 2 weeks, is 3.5 million 20,000.